So I need this out and this out. Now, pulling this out has got to be the hardest part of the whole process. So I'll see if I can do it. So that took me a grand total of 5 minutes, 45 seconds. So now the hard part's done. It's just a matter of unlocking this. So now that I have access to the bulb, I'm gonna pull these out. This one is a bad one that I kept for reference. Here's the new one. So take out the old one, and in with the new one. Let's put it back in. Turn it to the right to lock it. Now let's test that new one out. So I'm all set there. I just need to put this back. Put the 2 screws back in place, tighten them. Oh yeah, this bulb I just took out is also a Sylvania. It just so happens. 3457A. Okay, so that's everything. Hopefully you have an easier time with this than I did. And thanks for viewing. Roll it. It's a little tight, so if you have one of these, or maybe an impact driver or a power driller driver, it'd make things a whole lot easier. Everybody makes mistakes. Thankfully, the bulb I dropped was the old one I showed you just moments ago. But that can be cleaned up. And don't be like me, always dropping stuff.